I think Adobe has just killed a lot of AI startups with its new tool, which is called as Generative AI Fill. Adobe is integrating Firefly, its AI model for generating image and text effects, into the latest beta version of Photoshop. It's available to Creative Cloud subscribers. A new tool called Generative Fill enables users to add or remove elements in a picture, placing a cloud in an otherwise clear blue sky, for example, or placing a reindeer on a back street by typing in simple text prompts via the movable Generative Fill bar. And appropriate AI generated images then created. While I speak, let me also play this video from Adobe where you can see Generative Fill in action. The whole process takes a few clicks. Via your text prompt, you are given a range of AI created image choice as a new layer is created. And as you can see in this example, and s- you are just selecting it, the reindeer from your picture, you're typing in some prompt and it has generated the image for you. Now, you can also use a lasso tool, which you can press into service to add other elements, such as maybe pool of water or just like we did here. Generative fill also enables you to change the aspect ratio of an image, turning a cropped picture into landscape format, for example, or more of a panorama. As seen with the desert image, Adobe claims that generative fill will automatically match the perspective, lighting, and style of your images to reduce time consuming editing tasks. The AI edits are applied non-destructively via layers. So if you decide adding, for example, Mount Fuji to a supermarket car park wasn't the best idea after all, it's simple enough to change your mind. Generative Fill is also available as a new module in the Firefly beta for users interested in testing its new capabilities on the web. So as you can see on your screen, all we are doing is just giving some prompts and Adobe Generative Fill is doing the rest of the magic in a very fantastic way. So I hope that you enjoyed this and you can see the potential in this new AI tools. If you have any feedback or comment, please put it in the comment section. Thank you very much for listening and watching.